Hey guys, did your transmission light just come on? Maybe the transmission's acting a little funny, not shifting like it should. Well, in this episode, we're gonna go over that golden question, can I drive with a bad transmission? So stay tuned. Welcome back everyone to another great episode. As always, hey, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button as long as you like the video, and let's jump right in it. Can I drive with a bad transmission? Not a bad question, especially since transmission repairs can cost you thousands of dollars. So, hey, what are we waiting for? Let's jump right in it and get right into this question.
So, can I drive with a bad transmission? Technically, yes, you can, but it is highly recommended not doing so. A bad transmission would be a transmission that has a transmission trouble code on it. If your transmission has already gone into limp mode, it is now in critical need of repair, and it needs that immediately. Make sure you stay to the end of the episode. I will go over how to catch these transmission trouble codes and also what transmission trouble codes are. So, when should I stop driving? Immediately. But in the case that you are not able to do so, find the nearest place to stop, the safest place to stop. If a transmission problem is not repaired, the transmission will go into a limp mode to protect itself from catastrophic failure. What is limp mode? Let's go over that. Limp mode is a protection device that the engine and transmission will both move itself into if it feels that it is in catastrophic failure. Limp mode will keep your vehicle in between 30 to 40 miles per hour, while the RPMs will not climb over 2,500 RPMs. This will differ, of course, depending on the problem with the transmission. This will give you the opportunity, though, to get the vehicle somewhere safe to pull over. Then I would highly suggest you call a tow truck. I would not trust limp mode to get you somewhere safe. Limp mode will protect the transmission or engine, but it does run the chance of shutting down altogether to protect itself. That brings up the question of, can I override limp mode? The answer is yes, but it is not recommended. Consider this an emergency use only, everyone. If you disconnect your battery and leave it unhooked for 10-15 minutes, you can actually reset the electronic system of your vehicle. This should reset the sensor of the transmission. But if the vehicle does a self-check, which it does every 30 miles, it will catch the fault again and put you back into limp mode. So consider this for emergency use only. Remember, do not ignore the signs that your vehicle is telling you it needs repair. So the common symptoms of a bad transmission is hard shifting, no shifting, high gear ratios is always a big thing. The question you might ask yourself is, how much do transmission repairs cost? And that would be from $400 to $7,000, and depending on the needs of what needs to be replaced and the make and model of your vehicle. So the key is to take care of your transmission and properly maintain it, so that'll prevent catastrophic failure, which is the repairs that cost thousands of dollars and can leave you on the side of the road. How can I diagnose my transmission problems myself? You will need a diagnostic scanner, also known as a code reader, that is able to read transmission codes, not just engine trouble codes. It will be in options with the scanner. I'll make sure I put mine that I use, which is the Zurich ZR15, in the video description down below, just in case you need one. it will take you to Amazon. The transmission trouble code will tell you a lot about the transmission problem you are having and the guidance you need to go to fix that problem and get your vehicle back on the road safely without breaking the bank.
Hey guys, what'd you think? What'd you think? Did you like the episode? Did you learn something new from the episode about how important maintaining your transmission is, and finding a new way to troubleshoot your transmission yourself? Make this year all about saving money on auto repairs and make Sell Those Flipping Cars, this channel, a part of that mission for you. We have countless step-by-step guides here on the channel, and we would love to help you get your vehicle back on the road without breaking the bank. So hey, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the like button so I know and YouTube knows that you liked the episode. So thank you so much, guys, and until next time, hey, keep on wrenching. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comments section down below, guys. Take care.